Storytime at Home. Presented by Public Library of Cincinnati and Hamilton County.
Hello friends, my name is Miss Megan and I come from the Corryville Branch Library. I'm here to do a story time with you today that will include a hello song, a book about penguins, and a flannel board about penguins. Okay, let's start our story time off with a hello song. So with me, can you pat your hands, pat your leg, pat your hands, pat your legs, good. And we are going to sing bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as quiet as we can. Hello, hello, hello. Snap time, shh. Hello. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as loud as we can. Hello. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as quick as we can. Hello, 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 hello. I'm in a hurry. Hello, hello, hello. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as slow as we can. Hello. Okay, now it's time for us to get started on our story, which is Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups, and it's by Tadgh Bentley. Here's our penguin friend, and they look like they're going to town on the chili. What's that a bowl of next to him, or a mound of next to him? Peppers! Hot peppers. Ugh, sounds like some seriously spicy chili. Oh, hello! It's so nice to meet you. Franklin said you would be here soon. I wonder if you might be able to help. You may have noticed that I've got a terrible case of the hiccups. It's driving me cuckoo. A cuckoo. That's kind of a fun and different word. I wonder what it means. It means like maybe it's driving him nuts or it's driving him wild. It's just kind of making him out of his mind. It all started last week on chili night. I'm not sure how many penguins you know, but let me give you some advice. Never give chili to a penguin. It gives us the hiccups. I can't get rid of them. Frederick told me to stand on my head. Chester told me to drink backward from a cup. Albert told me to stand on my head while drinking backward from a cup. Nothing works. But Franklin has given me a new idea, and I need your help. Apparently, giving someone a good scare is the surest, bestest way to cure hiccups. So I need you to scare me. But I don't really like being scared, so be nice. You're going to say boo on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boo. Is that it? Let's try again. Louder this time. 1, 2, 3. Boo! Oh, what's he shaking? He's shaking his feathers. Pretty scary. Maybe that cured my... Arrgh! Will I have the hiccups forever? One more time. Shout. Go crazy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boo! What is that? Is that a giant whale? Looks like a giant killer whale. Franklin! Oh, it's just Franklin the whale. What on earth are you doing? You told me to stand here and wait for a good scare, and then you go and jump out on me. So now my feathers are all wet, and my mom will go bonkers because she just washed these the other day. Now I'll have to wait until I'm ready to be scared again. Hey, hold on a second. Yeah, let's hold on a second. Is our penguin friend still hiccuping? No. My hiccups! They're gone! Oh, thank you ever so much! Let's celebrate with a nice spicy taco. Uh-oh. Do you remember what happens when the penguin friend eats spicy food? Yeah, looks like he may have gotten some hiccups again. Well, those are a lot of tacos that he and Franklin are eating. Oh, and our penguin friend is still eating a taco. The end. Okay, I have some more penguins I want to show you, and I need your help in counting them. Let's bring these guys out. Okay, right here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little penguins were waddling near the shore. One dove in, and now there are 1, 2, 3, 4. Another one tried to get away. 4 little penguins were waddling toward the sea. One went swimming, and now there are 1, 2, 3. 3 little penguins were sniffling with the cold. Achoo! One went to sleep. And now there are, how many do we have? 1, 2. That's right, 2. 2 little penguins were laying in the sun. One got too hot, and now there's just 1. 1 little penguin. What's he got? A bow tie. Did anyone tell me what color that bow tie is? Yellow. That's right. This one has a yellow bow tie. 1 little penguin went looking for some fun. He crawled into a cave, and now there are none. 0. Goodbye to our penguin friends. Speaking of goodbye, we did sing a goodbye song, a hello song. Now it's time to sing a goodbye song. So once again, let's clap our hands, pat our legs, clap our hands, pat our legs, good. And once again, we will sing bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say goodbye as high as we can. Goodbye, 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 friends. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say goodbye as slow as we can. Goodbye. Goodbye for now, and thank you so much for joining in on this story time.
Get free books in the mail. Sign up today. Go to Ohio Imagination Library.org to find out more.